Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the Natural Disasters DLC and any disaster control mods you prefer. Once done, pick a map with rivers, coasts, and elevation to create meaningful hazard zones. Build minimal but robust services: power, water, sewage, fire, police, and medical, so your city can respond. You should also lay out arterial roads and evacuation routes early. They'll be your backbone during events. Make sure to set zoning away from obvious hazard lines as your first actionable step. Now you actively trigger or wait for disasters and manage the unfolding response. You must position fire trucks, ambulances, and police in high-risk areas and open shelters near safe zones. This reduces fatalities and panic. Simultaneously, close bridges or roads to control traffic flow and avoid gridlock. Keep an eye on coverage radii and dispatch gaps, and adjust budget sliders to temporarily boost response speed. Once recovery starts, redeploy units to prioritize life-saving actions. Finish by focusing on recovery and resilient rebuilding. Repair utilities first, then roads and public service buildings so the city economy resumes. You should use temporary incentives like reduced taxes or free transit to stabilize population and demand while rebuilding occurs. Rebuild with resilience. Elevate structures, add seawalls, or reroute critical lines away from hazard zones. If things go wrong, check service coverage overlays, reload a recent save, or restart the simulation to clear stuck vehicles and reset emergency responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.